All right, what's going on, guys? It's Nano back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And what I wanted to do with this video is kind of just show you the electric bike. This is going to be my first video on it. I intend to kind of just show you guys, how it looks running. I mean, there's tons of videos out there already on that. Some videos even more in depth. But I'm a 6'1.5" guy. I weigh 240 pounds. So I just want to kind of first show you guys what it looks like to have somebody of my height, my size on a bike. Two, a little bit of my early impressions on this bike. And then kind of like what I intend this bike to be for, and kind of like what's my game plan going forward with the bike. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and just kind of start showing you guys a little bit of the bike. All right, so first and foremost, I just kind of want to show you guys how the bike looks. Obviously, you guys have seen that. I'm going to kind of show you guys some more details of this bike. So here it is in all its glory, right? So you guys see that right there. I obviously haven't taken out the the wrap that comes with the seat post. But let me first start off with a little detail things here. So first and foremost, if you know what's the proper PSI for these tires, let me know. I'm just kind of riding it with how it came out of the box. But check out this right here. So I don't know if this is supposed to come like this, but you see that screw right there, guys? That screw sticks out. So this thing right here, I'm not sure if this is supposed to go, over or under the bike. You know what I mean? I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that, or if it's supposed to be like that. I think it's supposed to be like that. I'm not sure. So far, it doesn't seem like it's coming out, but that's how that screw is. So that's kind of how that is. And the chain is really close to the bike. Again, I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be, but that's how it came. So you guys obviously have the bike rack right here, and this is spring loaded. So I intend to buy some sort of carrying trunk or whatever you guys call it. I'm new to the whole cycling thing. It came with some panniers, something like that, for free, because I used the Nomadic Fanatic whatever code. But that's how that comes. Then you've got the seat thing here. When you first get it, it's super loose. You guys are gonna have to tighten it on definitely gonna have to tighten it right here, because it's super loose. So right here, that's the thing you tighten right there. Then you clamp it there. I got to get this removed. Now, I'm not 100% sure what the proper height for this is supposed to be, so I don't know if this is supposed to be higher up or not. It kind of feels comfortable riding it thus far. I mean, I've got this guy set at whatever that is. But yeah, so there's that. Real quick, showing you guys the bars here. Whoop, almost kicked my bike off. Grips are, they're fine. I guess they could be comfortable, but they're not really annoying me. So you got brakes and then brakes, right? So this right here is where you change the pedal assist. Pedal assist up, pedal assist down. You got your bell. Cool. And then this is your gear shifter here. And then here is your half twist throttle. So if you want to go full electric, you throttle it this way. And then you've got that. A couple things real quick. I added this little bit of tape right here because this was starting to peel. Like, see this little plastic tubing that keeps all these cables together? It came here at the end already starting to unpeel, so that's kind of annoying. They went ahead and used some zip ties here, so cable management looks okay up there, but then this thing started to come off, so I don't know how long that's going to last and how, see, look, you see that, how it kind of loosens up right there? It kind of makes me a little nervous because I don't want these cables right here all coming off. I guess I could just run zip ties all the way to the bottom. Then you've got the front, lamp, whatever, LED thing right there. What else? Obviously, pedals. These kind of fold in and out. I'm not sure if I can do it right now, but they definitely fold in and out. They come folded in. Oh, and then real quick, so again, I've seen tons of people review this bike already. In a lot of videos, there's this little latch that comes right here, and you're supposed to close this in, and then you kind of like lift it up, and then you pull this out. Basically, this one did not come with that. And I've looked, and I wondered, did it fall off? Whatever, it doesn't. You literally open, and then you pull out. So I guess their most recent models, that's how they come. But that's how it came for me. So there you have it, guys. That's kind of the bike all the way around. I'm sorry if I'm not 100% familiar with how all of these little things work, because I've never really been a cyclist. It's my first time rocking an e-bike. Right here, if you press and hold, is how you turn that guy on. See? So far, I put about 5 miles on it. Mostly pedaling, some throttle assist. Top bar right here is energy bar. That's basically your battery, obviously how fast you're going, and then your pedal assist. And you can change this a little bit in the menu if you want to show different kinds of things. So far, this works for me. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys know what I need to do to get this to unlock to 28 miles per hour, because I know it can be done. But yeah, that's basically how that works. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to put the phone down, and I'm going to kind of go around and show you guys what it looks like in motion and with my body type on top of it. And we'll kind of go from there. We'll finish off this video with quick early impressions. All right, guys, so there's a couple things that I noticed riding, and I'm gonna make this part right here kind of my early impressions on this thing. So when I'm riding and I'm pedaling, I hear like, it's not a screeching. Now I don't know if it's this. Again, I don't know if this is supposed to be the way it is. You know, it just doesn't look right to me, because see, I can push it this way. Doesn't make a huge difference. But I'm not 100% sure if this needs to pushed out more or if this is fine. Some people said that thing right there came bent. Y'all tell me what that looks like. But when I'm riding, I hear some slight, like, it's almost like a, like, not scraping, but some noise. Maybe it's just my fat weight. Maybe it's just, you know, I don't know. Maybe it's, I don't know. This is not rattling, so I don't think it's this. Nothing seems loose. This doesn't seem loose. I don't know. I get the impression that cable's just way too close down there. But y'all let me know what it looks like in your end. All right, guys. So early impressions. I love this thing. I really do. I'm coming from someone who, you know, from the perspective, I've never ridden an e-bike. I have a boosted board. I was going to get a boosted rev. If you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section below. But that's my electric vehicle. You know what I mean? Like, funny thing was, I was actually considering buying the boosted rev. I had it pre-ordered, had put $100 down, and that's a $1,599 device, or, you know, mode of transportation, last mile vehicle, if you will. And that's what I was going to buy. And then, you know, you go down that YouTube rabbit hole, you go down that Reddit rabbit hole, and before you know it, you find yourself looking at e-bikes. $1,000 e-bikes, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. I knew that I didn't want to spend that much, and I definitely didn't want to spend any more than what Boosted was going to charge me for the rev. Then I saw this guy on YouTube. His name is Matty Hoopcher or something. I usually follow him for like just camera tutorials and stuff like that. And he got one of these things and he reviewed it. And I liked it. And then before you know it, I see another guy, an RV nomadic fanatic. And you know, long story short, you go down, you watch all these people with it, and they're having fun and they're enjoying it. But more importantly, the price tag. $899 for pre-order, $1,099 for not. I think right now it's $999. And I'm finding myself like legit enjoying using this thing. Like I'm having let me focus this here, guys. I'm having so much fun just using it, just engaging with it, just interacting with it. And the price is killer. It's so much cheaper than what I would have paid for the boosted rev. And I'm sorry if I'm all over the place with this thing. I'm still trying to learn how to use it. But I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it a lot. I guess I won't track my face right now. I kind of want to set this thing right here, but it'll fall right off. Whew, it's hot, man. It's 90-some degrees in October in Charlotte, North Carolina. And here I am. I'm enjoying it. It feels good. It's fun. More importantly, it is fun. And I'm sorry that I'm rambling around. I enjoy it a lot. I love that you're still getting a workout, though. So when I use my boosted skateboard, that's all I'm doing is I'm just using electricity. I'm not doing anything else. That's fun, but you feel all the bumps. And that has that 13, 14 mile range. You're not going any further than that. That's it. So if you get to point B and you haven't planned this right, you're not getting back to point A without carrying that thing. And that's like 16, 17 pounds. At the end of the day, this thing right here, that's a bicycle. People forget, sure, it has an electric motor, but that's a bicycle. You pedal. You're getting places. I mean, I guess if that chain falls off or whatever and that tire pops, that's a bicycle. You're going to ride it. And then you can adjust. And so far, I've only used pedal assist 1 and pedal assist 2. And I'm on gears 2, 3, 4, depending on how I want to ride. And it just goes, man. That little assist, that little the little, here you go, here's a little help. That's lovely, especially once you're starting off from nothing. Took a little while to adjust to it, but I love that. I love that a lot. So right now, early impressions, this is a must buy for the value and for the fun factor, guys. And honestly, I think it looks cool. It has a little BMX aggressive style to it. It's not for everyone. Now, there are some things I don't like thus far. Most importantly, number one thing I don't like right now is my ass hurts. Simple as that. Maybe I'm not used to riding bikes like that like I used to, but like this seat right here does not get comfortable over time. Like, I'm constantly adjusting. I'm sure some people will like this. I'm sure there's an easy fix. If you guys have some comfortable seats that you would recommend that I can buy on Amazon or REI or something like that, let me know in the comment section below. Because right now, it's a little too narrow. It's soft, but it's narrow, and it just doesn't fit me right. Handlebars and everything up here, that's taken a little bit of time to adjust. Like, my arm's actually a little sore this morning. Shows how out of shape I am. But, depending on how you ride it, again, maybe my posture is all wrong. But, that's just riding preferences. What do I like? So the fun factor, the pedal assist, the throttle are all fun. And then the fat tires, man. This stuff right here, that's fun. It goes over bumps and everything. So far, so good. Like, no issues there. Over cracks and little things that, like, with my board, I would feel it. It'd be uncomfortable, and I would not like it. It would hurt my feet. That doesn't happen there. For $899, for $1,099, if you guys are looking for an e-bike, this is it. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything you want me to particularly cover. I do want to do a range test. Some people weigh more, some people weigh less. I want to do a range test on just electricity. I want to do a range test on, like, pedal assist and things like that. But let me know if there's anything in particular that you want me to cover, and I'll try to do my best there. If you're new to my channel, if you guys aren't part of that RV community that's been getting these and been enjoying them, I do tech reviews, unboxings, some vlogs. Check out my channel, see if there's anything in particular you like. But hopefully you do. If you do, hit that subscribe button, and again, share this or whatever, and I'll try to be making videos regularly on this. I know it's going to get dark here soon, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted and updated. And yeah, if you guys are thinking about buying this right now, buy it. You're going to enjoy it. You're going to love it. I waited 2 months for this thing, and I love it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. It was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios. And more importantly, stay geeky, because that's always fun. I'll catch you guys.